So here we are again at the Camp Nou. And this week could be the turning point. The third cantilever at Gol Norte is finally closing, and concreting on the diamond might actually happen today, after months of waiting. Could this be the moment the stadium structure truly locks together? Let's find out what's new at the home of Barça. We start right at the Gol Norte zone, where the third cantilever is now completely joined with the main stands. All the braces and joints are finally in place, except for one small corner heading toward Gol Sur. Workers are still around the pillars, removing scaffold boards and finishing the ironwork. Most of the block walls are up, and the composite slabs have already been concreted. The whole section feels nearly complete. Next up, the diamond. This has been one of the slowest and most talked about parts of the build, but today things are heating up. The concrete pump is positioned right above it, workers are watering the rebar, and every sign points to concreting starting soon, maybe even today. You can almost feel the anticipation as teams prepare to seal this long-standing structural puzzle once and for all. Around the diamond and up the beams, crews are working with safety nets, most of them rolled up, ready to deploy. Painters are on lifts coating the bolts in anti-rust paint, while others finish stair supports and railings. Prefabricated stairs have been installed in several areas, giving the first glimpse of how fans will actually move through these stands when the stadium reopens. The lateral parking zone is buzzing with progress. The last section that was missing concrete last week, done. Now, almost every formwork panel for the slabs is installed, and workers are cutting and adjusting panels to cover gaps. You can see the dual-level structure clearly. It's massive, complex, and nearly complete after more than 2 years of steady work underground. Over at the Tribuna, new glass panels have arrived for the Gol Sur area. The stair structure is growing fast. It's gone from 2 pillars last week to 5 now, all connected by fresh beams. Workers are tightening bolts, installing diagonal supports, and assembling prefabricated stands for the third tier. The third cantilever here has almost reached crane height, and if everything stays on track, it should be finished within the week. So, to wrap up, the Gol Norte third cantilever is basically closed. The diamond concreting looks imminent, the parking structure is nearly covered, and Tribuna works are advancing fast. Everywhere you look, something's happening. Cranes lifting, workers welding, painting, or concreting. The stadium feels alive again. If all goes to plan, football might return to this legendary venue very soon. If you enjoyed this update, hit that like button and subscribe to GOAT Stadiums. We cover every beam, seat, and surprise at Camp Nou. Don't miss next week's visuals. Things are about to speed up.